So, how do you fix a rotting deck? Or, more appropriately, should you attempt repairing it at all? Thousands of injuries, and even a handful of fatalities, happen annually because of deck failures. That's right, folks, and 90% of these accidents are caused by a rotting or poorly attached ledger board. What's the best remedy? Unfortunately, if your deck is rotting, the only safe option is tearing it down and replacing it. But don't worry, if only your decking is damaged, there's a simpler solution. Archadeck of Greater Denver and the Foothills offers a complimentary deck consultation to determine if redecking with premium composite decking is right for you. This service includes shoring up the deck structure, correcting poor attachments, and bringing it up to code. Plus, we'll replace your deck stairs and railings. Call 720-704-1556 or visit archadeck.com/greater-denver to request your free consultation. Stay safe and enjoy that beautiful backyard.